how's it going?
I'm going to Woolies. Adjusting to a new culture can lead to some interesting situations. So here are 5 tips to settle into Aussie culture. Tip number 1, manners such as please and thank you are important. So before approaching a stranger, it's polite to say hello and ask how they are first. Tip number 2, personal space is also important. So try to keep a small distance from others and apologize if you bump into them. Aussies also love orderly cues, so no jumping in front of others in line. Tip number 3, smile and say hello to strangers. Greeting people can help you feel more connected to the Kalgoorlie community. Tip number 4, learn about Aboriginal culture and history. Attending cultural workshops and tours can help you be respectful to the local culture. Tip number 5, sign up to chats to practice your English in a safe space. These conversations are a great chance to ask about any cultural differences you notice. Miscommunications might happen, but don't stress. Aussies are really warm and friendly people. Good luck adjusting to Kalgoorlie.